Hello guys, nah, you can't even see me. Okay. Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to make a very quick, very cute little tea towel using Lori Holt's My Happy Place home deck fabric. It is a little bit thicker fabric than her normal quilting cotton, and it's great for curtains and tableware and stuff like that, but it also has a good absorbency rate, and even her tea towel panels are made from this, so you can easily make your own using some of the My Happy line. It's super cute and it's really easy. It's actually pretty cheap to do, so they make great gifts, and I do get asked all the time what I can do with it, so here's what you can do with it quite quickly. So you take a half yard and you cut it in half, and when you cut it in half you get a fat quarter, of course. And that fat quarter is actually pretty big compared to most fat quarters because the bolt's just a longer bolt. Okay, so cut off your salvages and hem it all in. If you want a simple hemming trick, if you're not used to hemming, or if you're new to hemming, move this one. All you gotta do is fold it up about 1/4 of an inch, iron that, fold it again 1/4 of an inch, and iron that. If you want to be very precise, you can take a ruler. I got a ruler, and take this is a pencil, and I'm not really going to mark it, but if you have a water erase or an air erase marker is probably the best, and you just put your ruler on there so you have an inch, and you make a line, and then that way when you fold to that inch, and that will give you a 1/2 inch and then a 1/2 inch, which is fine too. And it's actually, it's a tea towel, so it's not really going to matter. So you can do 1/4 inch, you can do a 1/2 inch, whatever you'd like. If you are a beginner, 1/2 inch is probably a little bit easier to sew. Okay, so you have that hemmed. See, it's hemmed. There we go. So then on the front, you can make it look kind of cute, and it's very easy to do. So this one here, I just added some rickrack up to the tops and bottoms. This here is the Lori Holt 3/8 rickrack, and comes on spools like this. If you do buy it from my shop and you buy it in bulk, you're not going to get the free wooden spool no matter how much you buy, because many of them don't actually come on this size spool. I actually buy them in bulk, and they come on a big piece of cardboard. Okay, so really, do you want the piece of cardboard? Probably not. So if you do want spools, look for spools. I usually have them available more or less during shop season, and that's how you get that cool spool. Other than that, there you go. You can also just use regular rickrack, whatever you have. So there's the rickrack, and then if you want, you can add some cute little appliques, and I do have a video on how to do appliques. They're super easy. I do mine with interfacing. You can also raw edge applique that, or you can use Wonder Under or something else. Make some cute little shapes and throw them on there, and there you have a cute little tea towel. I did mine mirrored so that when it's hanging off the oven, it looks like that. Haha! If you want your tea towels to be a little bit more absorbent, sometimes tea towels are not overly absorbent. They take a couple washes to get that way. Give it a little soak in vinegar. Vinegar helps to open up cotton fibers, and just makes it a little tiny bit more absorbent every time you do it. So, little trick there. So there you go. Use My Happy Place. Use some fun stuff. Make something cute.